Hello everyone, Grandma and
Grandpa here.
happy Vlogmas. Since Grandpa loves to feed the birds, we are going to be making a holiday treat for the birds today. It is very simple. All you need is some creamy peanut butter, bird seed, a straw, 2 pipe cleaners, 2 Christmas cookie cutouts, and 2 pieces of stale bread. So the first thing we have to do is cut our shape out of the bread. So you can have this snowflake, and I'm going to take the snowman. And we're going to cut the shapes out of the bread.
My snowflake is done. Best I could get it out.
And the same with my snowman. Okay, now the next step is we have to put peanut butter on the, oh, you want to make the hole first?
Yep.
Okay, so you make a hole. Not in the, towards the side, towards the top, like.
It's there. Don't worry about it.
Okay, now I'll make mine. Okay, I have the hole now in my snowman.
Now we gotta take the,
We have to put the peanut butter on.
no, you gotta take that.
Well, then you take it and do what you want to do with it.
We fold it in half. Push it through the bottom.
Well, I'm doing mine like this, just throwing it through the hole. I'm putting it, and then I'm going to put it onto the top.
Like that.
Yeah, we don't want to tie it because we want to tie it on a branch of a tree.
Oh, we could put a little.
Don't even bother, because then you have to take it apart to put it on the tree.
Next, we put the peanut butter on.
Okay, thank you. Must be better we put it over here, and then we could both share. Take my cookie cutter away. Now this is a very easy project. The only thing it takes time to cut it out, to cut the shape out of the bread. But otherwise it's very easy. And if you had the shapes already cut out of the bread, kids would probably love to do this. You got to go around the top a little too, you know.
I don't want to mess it up.
Why? That's how it is. The birds don't care. You think the birds are going to be fussy? They're just going to want to have the seed and the peanut butter. Okay. Now you put yours in the first. Oh! Did you break it?
No.
I hope you didn't break it.
Put the bread into the bird seed. Press it down a little to push the seed into the peanut butter. Oh, fell apart. Oh well.
I told you.
That's what it's going to look like.
Well, you have to put another hole.
I'll push it through.
Okay. Now I'm going to do mine. Let's hope mine doesn't break. And you know what I think I'm going to do? I think. I'll even do the back. I'll do a little on the back and even coat it in the back, because the birds might like that too. Hopefully it's going to work. Maybe mine's going to all fall.
The bread's falling apart.
Grandpa's starting over with the snowman now, because his snowflake
Fell apart.
here disintegrated almost.
Press it down nice and hard against the board. Peel back the crust. Push out my little snowman.
Now here's the straw. Now be careful, don't put it too close, or otherwise that's going to be a disaster. Well, you might as well do it there.
Here's my hole. Okay. Get our peanut butter.
Yeah, make sure you put it around good.
Here we go. All over the place.
Well, at least so far it's staying together. That's the main thing.
Yep. Now we take it and press it into the
Yeah.
bird seed.
I'll move this over,
Lift up.
and then you can put it on the plate.
We put it on the plate.
So these are supposed to be our snowmen. Well, you get the idea. So you could use any shape you want. Our snowmen look a little odd, but the birds won't know the difference, and they're going to enjoy the seed and the peanut butter. Right, Grandpa?
Yes, Ma. Now we have to go outside and hang them on the tree someplace.
Yep, we'll hang them outside so the birds can have a little bit of holiday cheer.